Hi guys, so I just bought $10,000 of YFI at $6,563 per coin, and I would be telling you why I just purchased YFI. And if you like the channel, remember it's the altcoin doctor here, bringing you all the analysis, price prediction, and trades on your favorite coins. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the latest analysis on all your favorite cryptocurrencies. And today we would be looking at YEARN Finance, currently ranked at $160 with a market cap of $211 million. You have a 24-hour volume of about 10.65 million. As you can see, we are down just 21.1% for the month, 4.2%, 4.3% even for the week, and at the time of recording we are down just 2.4%, right? And as you can see, we are on the chart even for YFI versus the USD Theta. We are on the weekly time frame, right? What that signifies is that every single candle you see here, right, signifies 1 week, right? So this signifies 1 week, this signifies 1 week, and this signifies 1 week. And we have what we call the support and resistance levels. So the support levels is levels where, or regions where we could see a potential reversal or push to the upside, and resistance levels, the red line, are potential areas where we could see, right, a push to the downside. And currently, as you can see, we are at our last support level right down here for YFI, and this has been a huge support level even for YFI. As you can see, every single time we came to this level, we have seen a push to the upside, right? And as you can see, another huge signal just flashed right here, as you can see, based on the stochastic, right? If you had just bought every single time we saw the buy signal on the stochastic, you would have been very profitable, right? As you can see, we saw a buy signal here, right here, and we have seen a huge push in the price of YFI, right? You would have been up a whopping 262% on the price for YFI. The same thing, we saw a buy signal right here. As you can see, we saw a huge push to the upside, and currently, as you can see, we are having another buy signal currently happening, right? So we could see another potential push for YFI in the short term of about 172%, and that's one of the reasons why we were buying YFI at the current levels, as we could see a huge push in the medium to long term, right? I have my long-term holdings, but yes, currently this is just a trade, and I will be updating you every single day as regards how this trade is doing. So if you want to see the updates, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.